In today's video, I'll teach you how to log out Among Us account. So whenever you're logged into the Among Us account, you can see over here, you'll be able to see your account in the My Account interface. But over here, you'll not be able to find the option for logging out. So if you want to log out of your account, what you have to do is simply close the application. After you do that, what you have to do is clear the storage of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Among Us and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the app info interface of Among Us. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option clear storage that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here all of your app data will be deleted. Tap on the option OK. Now once the storage has been cleared, you can simply open the Among Us application. Now after you do that, you'll no longer be logged into your account. So that is how you log out Among Us account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.